Associative property with respect to addition. We are checking in whole numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is going till plus infinity. And this is called associative property with respect to addition. A plus B plus C in bracket, then A plus B in bracket plus C. You have to take A, B, and C from the set of whole numbers. A is equal to, you can take any example of A, B, and C. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. So we are substituting here in the left-hand side. A plus B plus C. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 will give you 5, and 5 and 5 is 10. Now we are going to substitute in the right-hand side, which is A plus B in bracket plus C. This is called associative property with respect to addition. 5 plus 2 plus C. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. And the value of C is 3. And 7 plus 3 is 10. They both are equal. 10 is equal to 10. Left-hand side and the right-hand side is equal to each other. You can take any other example from the set of whole numbers, and this property will be satisfied. So you can write this property is true or this property is satisfied. Now we will check another example from the set of whole numbers. Same property. Associative property with respect to addition. Now we will take any other example. Let A is equal to 0. 0 is also a whole number. You can take 0. B is equal to 8. And C is equal to 10. Okay, negative numbers are not included in whole numbers. Only positive numbers and 0. So we are going to substitute in the left-hand side, which is A plus B plus C in bracket. What is A? A is 0. B is 8 and C is 10. Brackets to be solved first. In a BODMAS rule, always brackets to be done first. 8 plus 10 is 18, and 0 plus 18 will give you 18. Now you have to check the right-hand side, which is A plus B in bracket plus C. What is A? It is 0, B is 8, and C is 10. Brackets to be done first. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. In this way, you are done with it. 18 is equal to 18. This property is satisfied, or you can write this property is true. You can take any example from the set of whole numbers. Associative property with respect to addition is satisfied, is true, and the left-hand side and the right-hand sides are equal to each other. Let's take another question now. Associative property with respect to multiplication. We are checking in whole numbers. This is the set of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is going till infinity, plus infinity. And what is the associative property with respect to multiplication? This is a property. A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus C. Only the difference in brackets. So let's start with this. A multiply B plus C in bracket. You can take your own example. I'm taking A is equal to 6, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 10. You can take in hundreds also, in thousands also. It will be true in any case. So now what is A is 6, B plus C 7, multiply by 10. Because this we are checking with respect to multiplication. So the multiply sign should come here. 7 multiplied by 10. Brackets to be solved first. 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. Now 6 multiplied by 70, 420. Now you are going to check the right-hand side of the property. Let's start with it. The right-hand side is A multiplied by B in bracket multiplied by C. You have taken A is equal to 6, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 10. You have to solve bracket first. 6 sevens are 42. 42 multiplied by 10 will give you 420. They both are equal. The left-hand side and the right-hand side is equal, so this property is true. Associative property with respect to multiplication is true. Let's take another example. Now we are taking A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 20. So A, B, and C we have taken from the whole numbers, from the set of whole numbers. So you have to start checking with the left-hand side, A multiplied by B multiplied by C. A is 0, B is 2, and C is 20. Brackets to be solved first. Although 0 is there, 0 multiplied by anything will give you 0. So 0 is here. Now you are checking the right-hand side, A multiplied by B multiplied by C. What is A? Is 0. What is B? Is 2. And what is C? It's 20. Brackets to be solved first. 0 multiplied by 20 will give you 0. 0 and 0 is equal to each other. Left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So this property is true. Take more examples. This property will be true in every case in the set of whole numbers. Another property is associative property with respect to subtraction. We are checking in whole numbers, and the property is there in front of you. This is the property. Take your own examples. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 10. Substitute in associative property. A minus B minus C. A is 4, B is 7, and C is 10. You have to solve the bracket first. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Now substitute in the right-hand side of the property, A minus B in bracket minus C. A is 4, B is 7, and C is 10. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 10 will give you minus 13. which is not equal to 7. 7 is not equal to minus 13. This property is not true. You can take any other example. This property is false, not satisfied.